Last week I chatted to my American friend Terry, who lives in Ohio. And Terry told me, she said that at Christmas she likes to make book eyes for her family. And she explained that book eyes are an American candy, an American sweet. So because my daughter and my parents are coming for Christmas, I thought I could try and make some book eyes. Hi, I'm Rachel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, Smile English Stories, where you can listen to English in lots of different contexts. But you might like to subscribe and hit the bell if you want to get a notification from YouTube. If you remember, Terry said that book eyes are called book eyes because they look like the fruit of a tree, the buckeye tree. And in England, the name for the buckeye is a conker. But I have never made book eyes. I have only tasted book eyes. So how do we make them? How do you make them then?
Well, you start with peanut butter.
Peanut butter? Oh, Terry, peanut butter? That's that horrible American thing.
Horrible, it's delicious. We all grew up on peanut butter because it tastes good, it's got a lot of protein, and it's cheap. And parents can feed lots of kids peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Peanut butter and jelly? What's jelly or jam?
Yeah, jelly or jam. Jelly is jam without the seeds in it.
Ah, so jelly is not like in England, that wobbly thing.
Wibble wobble.
Well, it can be wobbly, but it's more like jam.
Okay.
So you eat peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and those are good and they're easy. You can put them in a lunchbox and they don't go bad. And so kids grow up eating peanut butter.
Okay, so we need peanut butter. We can get that here, don't worry.
Okay.
So I have my peanut butter. My husband went to the supermarket to get my peanut butter. Thank you, husband.
You're welcome.
So let's take the top off, the lid off, and see what it smells like. Okay, it smells like peanut butter. So I have about 1 cup of peanut butter. That's about 250 grams.
Peanut butter and butter.
Okay, butter.
That's pretty.
And I have butter. About 75 grams of butter for 1 cup of peanut butter.
And confectioner's sugar.
Is that just ordinary sugar?
No, it's powdered.
Okay. Yeah, okay. And I have my confectioner's sugar, or icing sugar in England. It's really the very fine sugar, just like snow.
Vanilla.
I'm going to use half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, but I think if you have vanilla sugar, you could probably use vanilla sugar.
And you mix it up.
So now I need to go in the kitchen, take a big bowl out of my cupboard and mix it all together.
you take a little bit of it and you roll it in a ball about, you can make them any size, but little ones are better. And then you melt chocolate chips.
Ah, now you're talking.
And you take a toothpick, but you don't call it a toothpick. What do you call
I
this?
do.
Oh, you do. Okay. So you stick the toothpick in the peanut butter and you dip it in the chocolate. And you let it get, you chill it till it gets
Oh,
hard.
like you make it colder. You
Right.
put it in the fridge.
In the fridge, or if it's Christmas time, in the garage because it's cold.
Because it's cold in the garage. Okay.
Right. And then you eat them.
Okay. No, honestly, I'm not a fan of peanut butter, but I loved your Buckeyes.
Well, you add butter and sugar. It has to be delicious.
And chocolate.
And chocolate, right. It's got all the best elements of candy. And so those are pretty special. You can get them in a lot of different places, but because Ohio is the Buckeye state, then they're kind of common around here.
If you prefer, you can make the holes in the Buckeyes disappear. You can make them vanish with your finger. But I think I might be a little too lazy. Terry said I could keep the Buckeyes for a long time. So I am going to put the Buckeyes in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And then I am going to take them off the greaseproof paper, off the wax paper, and I am going to put them in little tubs, little plastic tubs, put the lid on and put them in the fridge. Or I read you can put them in the freezer. So I think I might put them in the freezer for Christmas. So, do you think you are going to make some Buckeyes for Christmas? Let me know in the comments. Oh no, there's not enough room in the tub for the last one. What am I going to do? I know, eat it, of course. I still like Buckeyes, but I'm still not keen. I don't like peanut butter.